If we were to sell a high end property and then 1031 that over, right? Trying to find a similar asset to put it into, right? That would be our challenge, but.
Let's talk about the biggest challenge of the 1031 exchange, right? You help people with investments, and maybe people are selling crypto, primary homes, businesses, even fix and flips, right? And what would you say the biggest challenge when it comes to the 1031 exchange or capital gains tax when you, your brother, or anyone else that you're working with exit assets?
It would be trying to find the likeness, right? So if we were to sell a high end property and then 1031 that over, right? Trying to find a similar asset to put it into, right? That would be our challenge, but overall they're not that bad. Our market is good enough where we have plenty of deal flow. So
absolutely. Yeah, we call that the blockbuster way of exiting, right? Like you exit a piece of real estate and you want to be able to go into like a business venture, but it's unlike kind. And so it doesn't allow for that. Even more so than that, the 1031's been even limited more. Let's imagine you're exiting crypto or a business. It doesn't allow for a 1031 exchange. And now it never allowed it for crypto or even public or private stock. 1031 has really only ever been for like business and real estate, but now it's only for investment real estate.
Mm-hmm.
Enter the deferred sales trust. If anyone wants to know how to eliminate the need for the 1031 exchange, exit any asset of any kind and not be stuck in that have to do the like kind. In other words, you can exit, we said a short-term deal, wholesale deal. It was $37 million actually, mostly in Austin, Texas area for a client last year, where he tied up some land, Nick. He improved it. It was less than a year. And instead of getting hit with that ordinary income tax, he moved it into the trust and deferred all the tax. And then he can invest it back into other investments, his business ventures, his development projects, fix and flips, all tax deferred, not using the 1031 exchange. And so it is possible to be able to diversify and to move your wealth in a way that gives you freedom and access to deals. You just have to understand how to do that. And this is why we're here. Go to capitalgainstaxsolutions.com if you want to learn more how to build an exit plan anytime you exit.